Hello there and welcome to Phoenix Designs YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create an infinite slide animation. So let's dive right in. So I have already downloaded these lovely images from Unsplash and I have arranged them horizontally with zero spacing between them. Now next up is we are going to highlight all these images and create an auto layout. That's Shift A. Then we're going to select all the images inside the frame and copy and paste. That's Ctrl or Command C and V. Why we use auto layout is so that we don't make much adjustments to the duplicates. So we're going to ungroup it and create a normal frame. Next, we'll set both frames to have the same width. That's 1440 pixels. So our card frame is going to have 1440 pixels. Now we're going to make a duplicate of our card frame. Next thing we're going to do is to uncheck the clip contents for the second frame. And we want to make sure that the first image in the first slide aligns with the first image in the second row of our second slide. So we're going to highlight all the images in the second slide and drag it to the left so that we can start over. That's a mistake. So that we can have both slides aligned. Yes, just like this. Now we have both images at the same place. Next, we're going to highlight both frames and create a component set. Then we'll switch over to prototype and start our connections. Set the trigger to after delay with a delay of 1 millisecond, and then smart animate with linear with 10,000 milliseconds of duration. Then we'll connect the second frame to the first, set it to after delay with 1 millisecond delay, and instead of smart animate we put instant. Now let's rename our components, give it special one because it's special. Then we'll go over to the assets and grab it. Then we're going to drag it into our desktop frame and do some alignment. Lastly, you're going to click on your desktop frame, switch to prototype and add a flow starting point. At the end, you're going to have a smooth, infinite slide animation. Remember to practice this because it's going to help you get a hang of it and also master it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section.